are at Echo Canyon State Park. We just got settled a little while ago and we're taking a walk. The water is very nice. The wind is breezy but not too bad. We're down by the water. So we're checking out this place for the first time. Today I don't think we could have asked for better weather. It's 70 degrees right now and breezy, and there is not a soul in sight. So yeah, we're just checking it out.
We stayed at Echo Canyon last night. This is the Lower Campground. There were plenty of available campsites. This one's pretty nice here. It's a pull-through. They have a little amphitheater right next to the trailhead. We stayed at site 14 and it was pretty nice because you can just leave your site and go right up top to catch the trail.
old stone cabin. Taking a look around. Just a mile or two past the Eagle Valley Reservoir. We moved today, it's Monday, and we decided to move from the lower campgrounds to the upper campgrounds. There's hookups here. So there we are. Yes, we have the ice maker working. Spoiled, I know. I do love glamping. Anyway, the wind is blowing, but it's supposed to cool down and stop blowing tomorrow.
We've had 3 really great days here at Echo Canyon, and this is the bridge that's right at the end of the lake. It's kind of cool. I could hang out here all day. This place is pretty sweet. What did she get into? Oh my God, look at those paws.
She was in the water. Yep.
That's the river monster. She went exploring.
Oh my God.
Hoppers. What were you thinking?
And gets carried back to the car.